All right, our next beer review comes to us from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is a Baked Pumpkin Ale. 'Tis the season, of course, for pumpkin beers and pumpkin spiced everything. This is the 9th beer that we reviewed from Lancaster Brewing Company, which is, of course, in the heart of Amish country. It's the number 76th ranked in the style of pumpkin beer, which is pretty good, I guess, in the grand scheme of things, maybe. And it comes into us at 7.5% ABV, which is usually a little on the higher end of the pumpkin beers. Of course, you have Imperial Pumpkin Ales, which can be a little bit higher. This one is not considered one of those. It's considered a good old pumpkin ale. I never had this one, but it has 20 IBUs, and it does say, "Have your pie and drink it too. Bold in flavor with a deep amber color, our big baked pumpkin ale is sure to remind you of Grandma's pumpkin pie." Very orangey, as you would come to expect from this style of beer. Its lasting vanilla finish will leave your taste buds craving another. Lasting vanilla. Okay, so we have vanilla, which is maybe the whipped cream on top of the pumpkin pie. I don't know. We'll see. Let's open this up. See what we got here as I get the bottle cap over there, making a bit of a sound on this chalice. And as we pour it, we see that orange pour that we would come to expect. Kind of a dark caramel color, actually. Ish. You know, like a dark orange, almost brown, and a nice thin head, probably about a half to maybe a third of a finger, so kind of a thin film. Aroma-wise, let's see what we got. Definitely getting the pumpkin right on the top of the nostril. A little bit of a creamy aroma. Pumpkin is definitely there, maybe some nutmeg, cinnamon kind of smell to it. It smells like a pumpkin pie, basically. So good job on the aroma for this particular style. Taste-wise. It does definitely have a vanilla finish. Solid. So it tastes very creamy. So it has a bit of a nutmeg taste, and on the back of the throat, I'm getting more of a smooth vanilla taste, which goes down very pleasantly. There's no bite to this. There's really no alcoholic bitterness either, which is, you know, something that you would not want from this style of beer. This is an excellent pumpkin ale. One more sip here. This encapsulates fall. It's been a long day, sorry. It encapsulates the harvest. It encapsulates maybe even Thanksgiving. I could totally see having this with my sweet potato pie as well. Pumpkin always seems to go well with sweet potatoes. Really good representation of the style, and I'm kind of surprised it wasn't ranked higher. 76 is not very high, but I think they did an absolute bang-up job on this style of beer. So I'm going to go ahead and give Baked Pumpkin Ale from Lancaster Brewing a perfect score. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Everything looks great. Aroma-wise, perfect pumpkin pie aroma. Taste-wise, just as smooth as silk. And especially that aftertaste of vanilla, which does not leave a bitter taste in your mouth at all. In my opinion, just a great, great pumpkin ale.